Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is KP Question Max. So, we will discuss on the second semester BSc Complementary Chemistry Physical Chemistry 2023 question paper. So, section A is 2 mark question. The first question is thermodynamics first law state and mathematical expression. A mathematical expression is the second one is spontaneous process. Free energy in the terms spontaneity in the criteria mention. The third one is surface tension defined and liquid surface tension temperature effect is an important question. So video full important questions. And the fourth one is colligative properties or example. And the fifth one is electrolyte solution conductance define dilution specific conductance variation explain. And the sixth one is conductometry titration 4 advantages. And the seventh one is Bagger's equation involved terms explain. And the eighth one is electrode potential. Standard hydrogen electrode in the electrode potential value is an important question. And the ninth one is temperature and pressure liquid gas solubility influence. It's an important question. And the 10th one is gas in the kinetic molecular theory. There are 4 postulates. It's an important question. And the 11th one is pressure and 6 liter of gas in the pressure temperature double the volume and the 12th one RMS velocity define mathematical expressions Maxwell equation derive. This is section A. Next we are moving to section B. Section B is a 5 mark question and the 13th one is fuel cell H2O2 fuel cells function describe. 14th one A section reversible process universe entropy change example. Next section B 1 kg of ice entropy change calculate melting at temperature 25 degrees Celsius and ice in the heat of fusion that is 334.72 joule gram. 15th one weak acid strong base titration reference conductometric titration principle explain. It's an important question. And 16th one suitable example molecular Maxwell distribution of molecular velocities explain. 17th one is Miller index axis axis Miller index determine. Next 18th one is colligative properties molecular mass determine explain. And the 19th one is crystals non-stoichiometric defect short note. That is section B. Next we are moving to the section C. Section C is 10 mark question answer. 2 questions are very important. And the 20th one is buffer solution describe example acid buffer or example acetic acid or sodium acetable buffer action explain. And the section B is Cohal's law state and application. It's an important question. Next 21 A section crystals symmetrical element various symmetrical elements in short note. And the section B is van der Waals equation. Van der Waals equation terms explain. And real gas ideal behavior deviation. This is second semester BSc Complementary Chemistry Physical Chemistry 2023 question paper 2020-21 and important question papers this channel post. Thank you for watching this video.